Hey everybody, it's in the shop at Tom. Doing a little job site video, just wrap this one up. You see we did a total refinish of the interior. White lowers, gray uppers. We repainted the ceilings. Come on, we'll take a walk through. Pretty basic stuff. Like I said, just a repaint. Come in here with our sprayer, with our Graco sprayer, Nova 390. Did a great job with it. Ceiling tiles are being replaced by the homeowner at a later time. Take a walk this way. We did end up redoing all the doors, respraying them, resprayed the ceilings, rolled them out, all the trim, everything else has been rolled out. Basically all the crown and all the base trim were sprayed also, semi-gloss, all Sherwin products. Job came out pretty good. Just about maybe a week to complete with the different finishes and some other hold-ups and some repair other work we had to do here. We had to make some other choices. We're going to be coming back and installing some more doors the homeowner wants to change out. That's pretty much it. It's in the shop at Tom. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your neighbors. Peace out.